Hi everyone, so we are starting with 11 needles. We're going to do the E-wrap cast on, and then we're going to start by knitting 4 rows. Now once you've knitted your 4 rows, we're going to apply weights on each side of our knitting, and then we're going to start our transfer. So we're moving the center needle to the right, and the empty needle we're putting back into working position, which is level B. We're going to move all the needles out and then knit 2 rows. Now we are going to move the 2 needles next to the center needle. We're moving them outwards, corresponding with the direction that they're in. So the left stitch goes left and the right stitch goes right, and we move over a stitch each time until we get to the end. Still moving the left to the left and the right to the right. And each time we knit 2 rows. Okay, so this is our final stitch that we're moving outwards. Now we're going to move in. So we're moving each stitch towards the center. So we're moving the 3rd needle in, the stitch inwards, knitting 2 rows, and now we'll move the 4th needle in. And then knit 2 rows, and this is the 5th needle, and we're placing both stitches onto the center needle. So this might be a little bit fiddly, but it's manageable. Okay, and now we move the center stitch to the right once more, and then we repeat the formation again of stitches. So we're moving the 2 stitches on either side of the center needle. Okay, so we're all done, and this is our diamond. I hope you've enjoyed watching and learning. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you again soon. Thanks for watching.